So we're gonna start with the project of coding because Leandric is autistic. He likes numbers, he likes letters, and he likes to draw different symbols. So we're gonna start off with the different projects here in this book to see how well things go. Okay. As you can see, this book is very colorful, okay? It's very interactive, so, it's very attractive for kids. So I want to see how well Leandric works with this. So I already installed Jupyter. In this case, we're going to use Jupyter, even though according to this book, we can use, I think, the Python, so like using idle. But in this case, I'm going to use Jupyter because I already have it on my laptop. So yes, we're going to start off with the first part. I'm going to explain to Leanne what is coding, okay? And how it works, okay? What are the different functions that we can use throughout the program. So when you want the computer to say something, you have to tell it what to do, okay? That statement. So I want you to write print. I want you to write print. Can you write print? Okay. You open parentheses. Do you know how to do it? Let me put the keyboard in Spanish. I think that way it's easier for you. So I want you to open parentheses. You have to use shift and that one and 8. Okay. And then inside you have to put, look, we need the quotation. Do you know how to put the quotation at the top? So you can use the double quotation like this, and inside you're gonna put hello. Remember, if you put the capital letter at the beginning, that's how it's gonna print it. If you don't put the capital letter, it's not, okay? So hello, we want it to say two things. So hello, and then we're gonna put a comma, comma, and then world exclamation. So comma, space, world, uppercase letter. Okay, very good. Let me see if I can turn on the computer. Okay, very good. Okay, so, and now, I think after, you don't have to put a space because it might give you an error. So, okay. This is the first line of command, so you have to enter so we can get another. Okay. Your name. So Leandric did his first, his second line of code, so we're gonna keep going. What's your name? No, put your name. I want you to put Leandric, your name. Okay, so it remembers you, Leandric, okay? Here we're going to assign a variable, okay? So you're going to put age, write the word age. Age is equal, and you put your age. Put it, A-G-E. You write it, type it, yes? A-G-E. Okay, with variables, you don't really have to put capital letters, so we're going to leave it like that. So A-G-E equals, okay, what's your age? And you have to leave space, okay? When you're assigning the variable, it's important to leave a space, okay? So let me just help you with this one. So here we're going to put a space and space after. What's your age? 9. So we're going to put 9, okay? Put the number 9. Very good. So now we assign that. If we ask the computer like to print age, it's going to give us your age, okay? So let's try that. So let's go. You open parentheses. Open the parentheses. The parentheses is like this, the brackets, okay? You open parentheses. Remember to leave a little bit, okay, of space. And then age. Tell the computer to print your age. Age. Okay, and then we're going to enter. Run the code. Run. Run. You can decide to run or you can click enter to see what it says, okay? Oh, you see that? What did it say? Your age is 9 because you already assigned this variable, okay? No. So here, for example, we already know your name. It says this indentation. You're going to space 1, no. Sorry, let's go like this, 1, 2, 3, okay? And then you're going to put, let's assign another variable. So let's say x equals, okay, 9, okay, enter. And we need to put another one at the bottom. So let's put y, let's put it, okay, y equals, okay, x times, multiply times, remember you can use the star, you can, 1, 2, 3, right there, it should be there, yes, it's right underneath, okay, and then we're going to say, okay, let's print, okay, so let's try to print y, so we need to get the answer for y, so we're going to say print, okay, print, open parentheses, okay, y, so we know that it's 9 times 7, what's the answer? 9 times 7 is, let's go to the multiplication table. So 9 times 7 is 63. So let's see if the computer knows the answer. So we're going to run the code. Can you run it? Can you run the code, please? Run the code. Okay, so what's the answer? 63. So it's correct. You see that? So that is how you communicate with the computer. Good job. Here we said that x is 9. But let's change the value of x. We don't want x to be 9 anymore. Let's say we want x to be 11 or 10. Do you want it to be 10? 10. Okay, so x equals 10. Remember to put your indentation. Indentation is a space. So you need 1, 2, 3. Can you do 3? 1, 2, 3. And you're going to put x equals
x. Feliz.
Okay, let's do the exact same formula to see if the answer changes. So y equals x times 7 equals x times 7. Don't forget your space. Don't forget the space. Remember, you can use the asterisk for times. Okay, 7. Don't forget your space. You need to put a space. Okay, put 7. Okay, and then we're going to tell the computer to print y. So tell the computer to print y again. You go down. Very good. Print y. Okay. Now enter. Run your code. You can run the code or you can enter. Okay. What's the answer? You see, it changes. At the top we had 63 because we assigned x, the value of x was 9. But now that we changed the value of x, the computer erases the previous one and it's going to take into account the second one. Okay, so now that's why the answer is 70. Do you understand?
70.
Yes. Do you understand? These are the symbols. So we have the add. Okay, you look for the minus, which is the same over there where we have the numbers over here. So you use this one for add minus.